Mickey University, episode 349.
I gotta go find the part numbers. I don't even know where the shit's at.
Fuel systems.
Okay, yeah, there's one.
Fuel system maintenance. Is this for every bike, or is this for new bikes?
It's both.
Old bikes?
Oldies, newies.
And what is the fuel system comprised of?
Bunch of plastic fucking parts.
And plastic mixes well with gasoline, right?
When that ethanol, or today's ethanol, is just fucking garbage. Okay, this is enough pieces. This will be good. I'll just keep you enough.
All right, we going to your lift?
Yeah, let's go to my lift. Everybody's asking me for this, so I'll give you some more of these. These are real simple.
Everybody's asking about the fuel system.
Just maintenance.
Maintenance.
Kind of like the lifters.
Nothing fancy. I kind of like the lifters.
Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy.
All right, what are we working with?
Okay, so we'll kind of go to the old ones first, okay? Hang on. Yes, I have all this crap in stock. If your shop doesn't have it, we'll find another shop. That means they don't do it. Anytime you're gonna map a bike, this is the number one thing we check on every single motorcycle that comes in here, is fuel pressure. Okay? You guys that have your old bikes, like I think it's 02, it might be 01, but 02 to like 07, these have all been discontinued. I've got like 3 of them in stock, brand new, unobtainable. They come with the fuel sender. The whole assembly's here. The whole assembly, like putting it in 07.
Inside your gas tank.
Yeah, this is the one from the top. This is like, I believe it's an 02 to 07, 02 to 07. New top plate, everything's new. Regulator housing, fuel pump, fuel sending unit, all this shit is all discontinued from Harley Davidson.
Damn. So,
then of course it comes with the new fuel pump plate, comes with the new check valve hose. Doesn't come with the actual check valve.
So what problem do you have that this fixes?
Lots of problems. All these hoses, especially like 02 to 07, this is one that comes off the gas tank that you see sticking out of the gas tank, the chrome piece. This hose rubs inside of an 02 to 07. It rubs on the inside of the tank and it gets pinholes in it.
After 20 years of rubbing.
Well, you should honestly be between 3 years or 30,000 miles or whichever one comes first. Rebuild this stuff. It'll just stop you from being stuck on the side of the road. But these, when they rub inside the tank, they get pinholes in them and you lose fuel pressure. The bike leans out while you're driving it. You don't even know it because you're still driving. And then it blows up or wears out the motor faster. Hang on. So it's really important to check fuel pressure. Every time a bike comes in, we check fuel pressure. It's our number one thing. And not just the max fuel pressure, but the drop down.
Got it.
So that's like 02 to 07s. And then you get into the newer bikes and they have pieces like this. This actually holds the fuel filter, and then it clips in. It all clips together, and the one goes to the fuel pump, one goes to the check valve. Replace the check valve, and then replace this hose. See, on this bike, you can't replace this hose unless you buy a fuel pump. So you can run that. Hold on, make a noise. Replace the check valve. This is the housing, and the ethanol eats the housing. I've had them where they just break out right here. And then the fuel filter, this actually sits inside of it. These should be done every 3 years or 30,000 miles.
So where is this on the bike? Is that in the gas tank?
Everything here is inside the gas tank.
Got it.
This is the top plate seal. So when you undo the top plate, this is what you're gonna see. Unclip them, change your check valve, put a new fuel filter in it, put it back together, and you're good to go. The fuel pumps if the fuel pumps need to be replaced, the bike runs like shit. You'll know it's bad. So very rarely do we replace fuel pumps. Our Harley fuel pumps are pretty good. If they do need to replace, you just buy the whole assembly. Don't even screw with trying to rebuild it. It's a total waste of time.
Okay.
This is like the OEM hoses. This goes from the fuel filter like this one right here. So you can replace just the lines too when you do a fuel filter. There's a bunch of different ways to do it, but all this plastic shit is all fucking garbage. It actually was really good when we didn't have ethanol fuel. This is actually a regulator housing. We replace them all the time. This is all really cheap stuff. and it keeps your bike from having problems, and the engines last longer if you keep the fuel pressure in them. If the fuel pressure comes out, you can still drive it, you won't even know it. And it will actually lean out while you're driving, you don't even know it's leaning out. And we're talking like 5-6 pounds. Well, that changes everything in the tune file because it's all related to the same fuel pressure it's got.
Right.
So recommendation, every 3 years or 30,000 miles, change the shit.